the Benefit Brow Microfilling Pen. Is it worth it? Right now it's $25. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. I had really thick brows as a younger person. Thick. I remember having a fight with my mother when I was in junior high because I really wanted to pluck my brows. So I just borrowed her tweezers and started plucking them because they were really thick. And on her side of the family, we're partially Greek. So my dad's Scandinavian side didn't have any count except for my blonde eyelashes. Thanks, Dad. But I would have liked the dark lashes and maybe thinner brows. But over time, the individual hairs got lighter and thinner. I used to have, they were thick and almost black, dark brown. And of course, they just thinned out. I just don't have as many hairs to pluck anymore. So it happened to my mother too. So I've been filling in my brows, and luckily in this day and age, doing your brows is popular. It was more popular in the 50s and the 60s, but by the time the 70s came around, women weren't, well, women who were teenagers and in their 20s weren't doing their brows. They were going for a natural look, but I had thick brows then. And by the time my brows started thinning, brow products started coming out, and even younger women were doing their brows. So I've been using a brow pencil. Ever since I went blonde, I've been using the color taupe, which has been a good color for me. But I wanted to try the Benefit Brow Microfilling Pen. And part of the reason is because of the pictures and the videos I've seen of other people using this on really thin brows, and it looked absolutely amazing. So I went there, and it only comes in 4 colors. So I brought the color blonde because I thought that's going to be the most closely looking like taupe. I didn't know what to expect except for what I had seen. So I demonstrated using this little 3-pronged plastic piece that has a liquid that comes out of it on my arm, so you could see the color just on plain skin. At the Ulta I went to, they didn't have any demos or any products that I could try and demonstrate on my skin to see what color I wanted, but they have a great return policy, so that's why I bought it. So I'm going to demo it right on my brows up close. We'll zoom in and we'll see how it looks and see what I think, but I want your opinion too about how it goes on. It's pretty liquidy. You know, it doesn't come out thick. It's thin. So if you make a mistake, you can wipe it off really quickly. So I guess that's a good thing. But it's also because I bought the color, the lightest color they have. So we'll get right to the demo, and then I want to know what you think about it. Here we are zoomed in. I have my mirror in front of me a little bit off camera. So I'll try to keep my brow in the center. Here's my little pen. So some people start right here, which is, you know, at the beginning, and some people start in the middle. I'm going to start right in the beginning and just doing little flicks. And yeah, so it's really light. It's even hard for me to see with my challenged eyes. And I'll just keep going, doing little flicks. So it's not a weird color. That I like. This is the blonde. Now, some people in their videos, it looks more blondish reddish. But, you know, for someone who in my 20s and my teens, I had really thick, dark, almost black eyebrow hairs, and the hairs themselves have gotten thinner over time. It's really something to see, you know, how thin they get. But I've been used to using the pencil for so long. And maybe it's my eyesight, but I can't really see the little individual flicks like I do when I watch other people's videos or see their pictures. Now, when I get down to this end, I can just use it straight. Still doing little flicks, but just creating, not going sideways, but using it, all three little, it almost looks like a little fork, using them together in a line. I think it's a little harder than a pencil to get the nice arch that I like to get. Let's see if you can see that. I guess I could go a little thicker. It's not really intended to be something that you go over where you already did. It's more for a one pass. But since I'm older and I don't have as many hairs, I don't want to overdo it. The younger women, I think, look fantastic with this. But let's try the other side. All right, here we go. Try to position my mirror so that you can still see what I'm doing. All right. Doing the flicks. This is, it's on your left, but this is my right. And if you make a mistake while it's still wet, you can wipe it off. I know I'm on the down side here. I like that it's not orangey on me, but I think it's just, it's hard to get the shape I want the brow to be in. And since it is more liquidy, it's not coming out super thick. But I'm just not getting the shape I want the brow to be, if you know what I mean. All right, so this is what they look like close up. I don't know. Let's pan back. And here we are from far away. So, I don't know. Do you think it's worth it? It's $25. So, you know, unless you're buying it at a special Ulta, Sephora with a coupon where the prestige brands are included in the coupon, I don't know. So, I mean, looking at it in my mirror and from further away, the color's fine, I think. It's not too dark. It's not orangey. So that's good with the blonde. It is kind of like the taupes that I usually get when I'm buying an eyebrow pencil. I'm just not sure that I like the shape that I can get with it. What do you think? Have you tried the microfilling pen or any other brand of microfilling pen? Please write your comments down in the bottom. I want to know what you think. Should I return this for $25? I mean, it was $15. Maybe I'd keep it, but $25. And I don't know how long it lasts. I mean, it doesn't shake. I don't know. It's liquid. So I don't know how long it takes. Will it dry up if I just set it aside for a little while? I don't know. So yeah, I want to know what you think, but you might want to check out one of my other brow videos by tapping one of the images on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.